Chiku proudly carried his first acorn through the forest. He held it close to his chest and smiled with joy. Every step his bushy tail bounced happily. It was a... Chiku had never seen a more perfect acorn. He couldn't stop smiling. In this forest, Chiku found something special.
Wow! This is the best acorn ever!
And he was truly happy. Chiku became so excited that he started hopping. But with one big jump, the acorn slipped from his paws. Bounce, 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 boing! Wait, come back! The acorn rolled into a patch of tall bushes. Chiku searched everywhere. Chiku searched everywhere. At last, Chiku sat down sadly. Little did Chiku know, his lost acorn would soon begin a wonderful journey of its own. Would the lost acorn ever be found? Or was something magical about to happen?